This is a sponsor product I got to review. As you can see, this is really nice, very cool travel briefcase, laptop case. So works really well, has lots of cool features. So over here, once you are ready, you can just pull this out. It has three different levels. This is the first one and the second one, and you pull another one and third one, and you can see it just glides really nicely with just one finger. You can just move it around. That is really cool. And it has a lot of compartment. Over here you have one, the first one here, you can easily store your stuff, and another one here. You have easy access to a lot of stuff. You can store your business card, credit cards, your phone. It has this pocket with this velcro. You can place pens and other stuff, as well as over here you have the same thing. So the zippers are very easy. It doesn't just get stuck, operates really smoothly. You can see it has this feature. Once you open, you will be able to just attach these here. It has velcro as well. You would just uh, limit the opening, so you can just do like this, and it will just limit the way it just opens. But if you want to just open and just work on whatever you want to, you can easily work. You can just access your stuff. Another zipper compartment here. From here you can place your uh, iPads or other Android devices, and you can place your smaller laptop here. It has built-in cables. If you get a battery pack or just connect to your laptop, you would be able to utilize this charging port on the side. It has type C and regular USB port, so that you can utilize. You can see the same thing on the other end. So really cool. So let's go ahead and see the other end. Again, here, once you open here, same operation. For limited access, you can just keep this, and if you want to just open everything, you would be able to just open it, and you can, in that case, lay it flat if you want to, or you can just keep it like this. It can stay depending on the way you just open the zippers. So you can just open all the way, and it can just stay like this. So that is really cool. So over here you have this compartment that is really useful for travel. If you are working and you just take your clothes with you, you don't really reveal what's inside. It has dedicated zipper. It hides everything inside. I think that is pretty cool, very useful feature. So while you are taking your laptop, your business related stuff, you are not revealing your uh, underwear or some other stuff. So that is pretty cool. So works really well. You can see it is able to take the laptop. You can just place bunch of laptops actually, and it just stays here securely. And I just want to show you guys that is really nice, very cool feature. The wheels, so you can see these are 360, and you can easily remove them. You can see within a couple seconds you would be able to just transition this to just a briefcase. If you don't want to walk around with the wheels, that's an option. You can just swipe them, and you would be able to just do that. So just like this, you can just place them back. So overall, works really well. Very cool product. I hope you guys found this useful.